Lori, and today I'm sharing this cute little favor box. I thought it'd be cute for like a graduation favor or any kind of party favor, even a wedding favor, because it's super elegant because I embossed this with the layered leaves, I think it's called. Let me look to see which one it is. It's the Layered Leaves Dynamic Textured Embossing Folder. It's this one right here from Stampin' Up. It's super pretty, and after I embossed with it, I thought, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I need to make a box out of it. Actually, it's a bag, but it's super cute, and I'm using the Emerald Envy crinkled seam binding ribbon, and I just made a little tag that says congratulations. And the stamp set I'm using for this is the Colorful Seasons. You know I love this stamp set. And I'm using these little flowers here and the congratulations for the tag. So I thought it turned out really cute, and it would be really cute for even a birthday party. I think that it would be really cute. It just hold enough little, you can put Hershey's Kisses or Hershey's Nuggets or something like that in there, and it would be super cute. Alright, so let's get started with this. So what you're going to need is a piece of Emerald Envy, and I love this color. This is one of my favorites too. It's 6.5 by 4.5. And then we're going to go ahead and score it. I'm going to get the Simply Scored out because I need to start using it more. I said that in my last video. I've been wanting to use it more, so on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2. And then you're going to score it at 2.5. And then 3.5. And 5.5. And then you're going to turn it, and you're just going to score it at 1 inch. Super easy and quick. Alright, so now I am going to grab the Big Shot, and we're going to emboss this. So for embossing, my Big Shot was a little further than I thought. Okay. Alright, so for embossing these dynamic folders, you just need your Big Shot platform, and that's without the it's just plain, it's not with the other platform. And then you are going to just put your piece inside the embossing folder. These are super thick too. You're not going to emboss the bottom, so I'm just going to put it to that. And do it the side where your little glue tab's going to be. So you just put it on there like that. And then you just put a plate over it. You don't use 2 plates for these because it's super thick. And then we're just going to run it through. And I'm going to run it through and then back again. You can also, to get a deeper impression, you can mist these with water. And it will even make a little bit of a thicker emboss. But it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at it. Like that. So we're going to do here, let me grab my little scissors here. We're going to cut this little bottom rectangle off here. And then we're going to cut up each one of these. These are going to be the bottom of the box or bag. Keep saying box, I'm so used to saying box. This is a little bag. And then we'll just take a little from here. And that is it. Now I'm going to get my bone folder, and we are going to sharpen all these score marks. Be gentle on where you embossed it, because you don't want to take your embossing out. And then we'll just sharpen all these bottom. And we're ready to put it together. So I'm going to grab my fast fuse. Use your fast fuse or Terran tape. Line this up. This would be gorgeous in all different colors, or whatever the wedding colors are. It would be cute for a wedding favor. And then either side, whichever side you put back will be your front. So this will be my front right here. You're going to squeeze the sides. And I'm going to use my hole punch here. I'm going to punch a hole right in the middle. I'm going to grab some of my, I love this crinkled seam binding. It's so pretty when it's tied. It's so easy to tie too. You know, that's all for me when it's easy to tie. Now it is freezing here today in Texas. When I got up it was 26 and it's just now getting to be around 40, and it is like in the late afternoon. But for us this is really cold. I know some of you are saying, oh my gosh, that's not but here, oh my goodness, it's cold, and the wind was blowing so hard. It was terrible. I need to quit talking and tie my bow. Okay, grab my ribbon scissors here. It's so pretty. Mine's upside down, but that's okay. I'll fix it later. And then I'm going to use some Emerald Envy Baker's Twine. Well, first I need to stamp, don't I? I need to stamp the little sentiment. So I'm going to get my Emerald Envy ink out. And I'm stamping the little flowers on this one from the Colorful Season. I'm going to stamp off. And then I'm going to just stamp on here. I just thought it looked really pretty with that behind it. And then I'm going to full strength stamp the congratulations over it. Just like that. I'm just going to cut this off here. I'm going to banner edge it and do the banner end on it. And this is 1/2 inch, so I made it 1/2 inch by 2 inches. I'm going to use my smaller hole punch to punch a hole in that. And then I'm going to use my Emerald Envy Baker's Twine. Put it through here. I'm just going to cut a little piece off. And then I'm going to string it right through that same hole and underneath that ribbon, that bow. So it makes it really easy. Just tie a knot. Like that. And that is it. I need to make, oh here, my bow is, there we go. I can fool with bows forever, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it. I love these little crinkled seam binding. I want to cut that though a little shorter. And that's it. It's so quick and easy, and it really makes a statement with the embossing on it. That's what makes this whole bag. I think it's super cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.